Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Windows video editor. It's a very good editor for beginners. For those of you who don't know, Windows comes with a built-in video editor which is pretty good. All you need to do to access this video editor is type video editor in the search box on the taskbar. This is a good video editor for beginners and for starting with video editing. The Windows Video Editor interface looks something like this. If you want to start a new video project on Video Editor, as I said before, you just need to type here, type the search on your taskbar to get the Video Editor interface, and it will look like this. And then just to start a new video, you just have to click on this new video project. And it will ask you to name it, so I'll just skip it, and you can do all your things over here. So let's see how we can use all the features of the title card. So basically you have something right here, as you can see my mouse pointer. It says add title card to your storyboard. So this is your storyboard. I haven't explained it before. It's where you put all your images and clips and GIFs and everything, and it finally gets into a video. So the first thing is you can see is add title card. So let's go into that a little bit, and then so this is how your title card will look like. First of all, you can change its duration, 1 second, 2 seconds, 7 seconds, and you can also add your own duration. Doesn't have to be more than 1 second, it can be less. And as you can see, there's a point too, so you can be very precise as how much time you want it to stay. So you can just put whatever duration you like. Here is text. As I told you before, there are a variety of text to choose from, and they come with their own animation. And then, as I told you, my personal favorite is adventure, and then next is joy, as they have really good animations. For the text, you have layouts which you can choose like this. It's pretty self-explanatory, all these things. And then you also have this title card's background. So I'll just show you where you can get that. Over here, you can change its background. At default, it may come with some color. For me, it comes with blue. I don't know why. And then you choose from a color over here, or you can also add your own color from over here. So it shows you a color where you just take any color you like. Okay, I'm going with that green over there. Okay, I like this. So I'll just go with that. It just shows you whatever you want. Okay, so these are basically the features of the title card. So let's go over it. Add title card, you can adjust the duration, add text, change the background. Also, if you want to delete it, it's over here. So that's it for the title card. So I'm going to show you how to add text to your video or a photo or your GIF. So simply select what you want to add your text on. For example, I have this title card right here, and then click this, add title or caption, or if you have a video over here, you'll have this over here. So simply click on that. Then it gives you an option to add text. It'll look something like this. Then you can just type in your text over here, whatever you want to write, and it will show over here. So that's it. And then there are multiple text to choose from. They come with different animations. I prefer adventure best, and you have layouts here. You can select a layout for your text, like this or this or this. You can just experiment with that. It's pretty simple. So that's all for text. You just click on that over there, like over here to get the text. Then you get this thing over here, this interface. Then you have this over here, and just type in your text. you can adjust its duration as well. So I'll show you how that works also. So it works on a video, and this particular clip I haven't any text there, so it's not showing. So it will give you an option to adjust the duration of your text. Type in your text, adjust the duration, choose which font you want, then choose layout. If you have a title card, just change the background to suit the text accordingly and all that. And then you can just do done to save it. I've cancelled this because I really don't want to save it. So that's all for text. Click text here, type in, change duration, choose your font, check the layout. That's all. That's all there is to it. So let's see how to change the duration or speed of your video or photo. So duration comes only for photos or title cards. So it's right over here. You can choose how much time you want that thing to stay. So if I have 3 seconds, it will be on the same slide for 3 seconds. It's just like PowerPoint or something for photo or a title card. But then if you have a video, then what you don't have the duration option. You have an option to speed it up or slow it down. So this is a video over here, as you can see, and then you have an option here, speed. So if you click that over there, you have fast, normal, slow, etc. So simply set that speed over there as to what you want, and that's it. Very easy. Then one more thing which I'm covering here is the filters. Speed and filters aren't really related, but since they're small topics, I just want to cover them. You have these filters over here, so I'll just show you again how to get back to them. Take any video or clip or GIF, photo, whatever. Then simply choose this. It doesn't work for title cards. I'll just mention it. It doesn't work for title cards. So you have a photo or a GIF or a video, go to this filters, then it looks like this, then just choose your filter. It's on original, it's by default on original. You can choose other ones, classic, adventure, pearl, and everything, blah blah blah. So it's very easy. And then I'll just cancel it. Filters are just like that, it's very simple. And then another thing which you can do is, I'll cover it right here, is this thing. It has an option, remove black bars and shrink to fit. Remove black bars is very crazy because it just magnifies on your video or photo so much that you can't really make what is there. But it's still there. You get an option to remove black bars, so it sort of zooms in a lot when you have a photo, so it isn't of very much use. So mostly I just use shrink to fit. Then you also have an option to rotate over here, or you can just use a Ctrl+R shortcut. Very simple. Then you can also delete any video clip from your storyboard over here. Then you have an option to remove all, like if you're really fed up with your video, you want to start all over again, you're like, oh no, I'm giving up. Then you just simply go over here, remove all, but you can still use over here from the storyboard. You can still use from the storyboard. All your clips will still be there over here. This is the project library, I'm sorry. This is the storyboard. So you can still use things from your project library and get it here, but you just remove everything from your storyboard. That's it. If you're fed up, you can just use that. So that's it for this part. You have, let's review it. I showed you how to adjust the speed, fast, slow, normal. It's very easy. Duration, simply change over here. You can be very precise with the duration, and you have a point there. You can be very precise. And then I also showed you about filters, how you can change your filters. And then I also showed you these three icons, what they made. The shrink to fit and remove black bars one. How do you rotate? So please remember Ctrl+R, good shortcut. Then delete. Then you have an option to remove all if you're very fed up. That's it. So let's look at the motion and the filters. I find both of these features pretty useless, but for the sake of covering everything, let's look into them. Motion is sort of like you have a transition in PowerPoint just to animate your slide. Motion is for your video editor. So you have a bunch of motions over here you can choose from, and if you want to just experiment and have fun, it's fine. But they're not very useful on the whole, so that's how you get motion. On a video or a photo, just click motion from there and you get here. So another thing was the filters. Again, this works only for photos and videos, not for title cards. Also GIF, it works for GIF. Video, if I say video, it also means GIF, so it works for GIF. You have filters over here, just go for that, and then you have a bunch of filters over here, pixel, arcade, and bunch of other things. Default is original and it's set to that. So that's how you get the filters. Again, from over here, you click filters, then you get to that place. That's it. Now let's see how we can choose a background music or insert our own audio file. So for background music, it's very easy. Just click on the background music right over there, over here, background music. And then choose your music from over here. You have a bunch of music, and then you can choose this. Actually, if you sync, it's much better to listen to, so you can choose that. Adjust your music volume this way, and then that's it. Click done. Then you have no voice recording tool on Windows Video Editor, but what you can do is you can use your Windows voice recorder, which I'm sure you all will be knowing, and you have the file stored over there. Then you click on custom audio, and then you simply add your audio file. You have the option right over here, add audio file. You choose that and then adjust its duration. Like I have an audio file here, and then I just adjust its duration. Then you can add a bunch of audio files, not just one. You can do multiple recordings and add them in different slides. All that, add it to a video or a photo or a title card. It doesn't matter. Custom audio, you just add your audio files, and that's it. It's a very useful feature actually. So let's go through that again. Take your video, photo or GIF. Actually, you don't have to select a video, photo or GIF. It just, so I forgot to mention this. It just plays on your full storyboard. So like you can't choose an audio clip for a particular photo or something. You just have to adjust the duration of the photo. So if you add an audio clip, it just plays continuously, all the audio clips. You can't really add an audio clip, photo or video like individually like that. Just add a bunch of them, and then just adjust your video speed and your photos duration. I told you how to do that before. Just adjust it to match that. So you can't really add an individual sound recording for each video clip or GIF or title card or anything. It just plays continuously. Even the background music is the same way. You can't add it like clip by clip or photo by photo or GIF by GIF. It just plays continuously. You just sync it up so that it goes smoothly. That's it. So in this part, I'll be going through additional options which you have. So you have a couple of options over here. You have a photo or video. One is this one, remove black bar interface. You can use that. If you choose remove black bar, this zooms in and it removes the black bars you have on either side or on top and bottom when you have the shrink fit option. So you can choose between that. If you have a particularly small photo or something, you can just experiment with that and see how it looks. Another one is rotate. Right over here, it's keyboard shortcut is Control R, so you can use the keyboard shortcut as well. Use the rotate thing, and then delete. So the clip or GIF of title card, photo, whatever you select, it will get deleted if you click on this. Then another thing, don't do it unless you're very frustrated. Don't ever do it by mistake. Click on this demo. You have an option to remove all your cards from the storyboard. It does not remove them from the project library. They'll still be over here, but it will remove all of them over here. So you have to do all your hard work all over again. And one more thing is, I showed you these two over here. There are also undo, redo things over here. Then you have an option to finish your video. So just export it to MP4 and get saved in your file explorer. Then you have this over here, see more again. You have a duplicate project thing, then you have themes, landscape, feedback, settings and all that stuff. Duplicate projects will just get duplicated. And then you have something over here, themes, landscape. You can choose your landscape, make it portrait. Send feedback is completely useless. I don't think they can complete it. Then you have settings over here. You can just change your settings or just experiment with the settings and bunch of things. Then that's it. These are the additional options you have, which I haven't mentioned earlier. So let's go on to the effects and 3D models you can add on your photo, video, GIF. So you have 3D effects right over here. Click on that. You have so many effects over here. So many. Just choose one. For example, I have balloons right here, and then I'll just... Okay, so this is just a tip. So I have my balloons over here. You can enlarge it. Choose how much time it comes for, and then you can also remove it. And then one other thing, you can adjust its sound, so I'll show that also. Attach to a point, you have that, just move where you want to attach the effect, just keep it there for the entire thing. Then adjust the volume, so all effects come with a volume, so you can just keep it fully low if someone's talking or something in your video. So that's it for effects. These give a very good animated look to your video, so you want to check out all your effects and see which ones are good. Another thing is 3D library. So if you have used 3D Paint, another Microsoft app which comes default, you'll know these 3D library things. You have so many 3D models to choose from. Just choose anything and then insert it in your video. Wow, super. And then you can even animate them. Yes, you can even animate them. So I'll just search for something random, say laptop. Then I'll just choose any laptop. Okay, so let's take this. And then see, you have this thing called quick animation. So let it just get inserted. I'm sorry for the delay. Okay. Oh, went up. Okay. So I'll do that again. Yeah, let it get inserted. So as you can see, there's something called quick animations over here, right? Over here. So you have swing, and then you have a bunch of other things. Swing, jump and turn, hover, look around, wobble, hop. Default is none as usual, but you can just... Why do you have to listen to that? It's okay. Just choose your animation. So, for example, I'll just put wobble. So let's see how it looks. It should look cute. And see, it's so sweet. So you can even add more serious animations for your office videos and stuff. But overall, just remember the 3D library. It's the best thing to add to your video, literally, the effects in the 3D library. So I saved the best for the almost last. Right, so don't forget these two features, effects and 3D library. So I'll just review that so that you don't forget. Right, go to 3D effects. It'll take a moment as it says there. Effects, 3D library, edit. You just edit your effects. So You take an effect, it will show over here, and then you can just do all your audio, listening to audio, and adding animations and stuff. Don't forget how to do that. It's one of the best parts of this video editor. It's my favorite thing to do to any video. That's it. So I have a couple of tips for you now. So first of all, if you want to add multiple text on a video, not a photo. So all you need to do is go here and then choose split. So you can really choose how much to split, but to be more systematic, go to your text, type something like that. And then what you want to do is adjust the duration of your text, right? Once you're done with this, click done, then split. So it will automatically go into the one how much you've adjusted. You can check how much duration your text is for over here, and then flip it to that much. Say done. Then you have two over here. This one is with the text, and this one is without the text. So get this one in front, and then add another text to it. You can do this how many ever times you want, and add so many text. Right? This is a very good method if you want to add text. Second one is when you add a GIF. When you add a GIF, add a GIF which I have. This is my collection. I haven't shown you the collection part on this video editor till now. So I'll just add a GIF. Add. Then I place this here. So a problem which you face is that's it. So you can't speed it up or slow it down to last. You can't slow it down to last for more time, right? It will become too not nice. So it will be very slow. So it will be stuck in like this and it will be very slow. How can you keep it at normal speed and make sure it looks like a GIF? There's a very simple method for this. Just add the GIF many times. How many ever times you want, add the same GIF. Then it looks like a GIF. So I'll show you. See? It just goes to the next one. But you can add as many GIFs as you want. And it makes it look like a whole GIF. So, if you have a GIF is basically a repeating photo, right? So this is an easy way of getting a GIF to look like a GIF. So these are my tips over here. And then another tip is just go to the settings and see what you have. That's another tip. So I didn't do that much, but just go to the settings and check out what all settings you have over there. Then photo tile shows, view the next item or previous item, zoom in and out, linked duplicates, make sure you're backed up, check your storage. That's it, like that. And one more thing is, if you just go to settings, you can just add many folders into your collection. You don't have to add one every time you go to the storyboard part. You can just add folders over here in settings. Then let's go back. Let's have a video over here. And then that's it. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's very useful for you when you have to make a project. Goodbye.